Hi everyone, my name is Chris Behrens, and welcome to my course, Microsoft Azure DevOps Engineer, Creating an Automated Build Workflow. I am an independent writer, author, and speaker. Taking your manual processes and turning them into automated builds is the first rung on a quality ladder that leads to how the big players in software do business. In this course, we're going to get you started with Azure DevOps Build Pipeline and get your code integrating, compiling, and packaging whenever you commit changes. Some of the major topics that we will cover include managing builds with custom build agents, dependency management and semantic versioning, and different ways to make your build work for you beyond the basics. By the end of this course, you'll be able to get your code built, tested, and packaged for deployment, and know where to take your build next. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with C# basics and basic software development. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into advanced build engineering with courses on monitoring code quality and deploying your code to Azure. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to create powerful software builds with the Microsoft Azure DevOps Engineer Creating an Automated Build Workflow course at Pluralsight.